Hello, welcome back to Roz Reviews and Demos. We are here with the new PC I just finished building, my first one ever. Turned out okay, it turned on, so that's something. I'm just going to real quick go over some of the hardware inside, what I liked, what I didn't like. So the motherboard is a Gigabyte Z390 Aorus Ultra. That's her back there, I don't know if you can see that. You can see the lights there. That's the motherboard with the hawk looking thing, and that light over there is the motherboard. So it's got some nice backlighting on it. The thing was spectacularly easy to install. Out of everything I purchased, I would say that the Gigabyte motherboard had the best set of instructions. The 4 memory sticks you see there are the Corsair Vengeance. They're 4x32, so I got 128 gigs there. The Nzxt pump you see spinning there, that's the liquid cooler mounted to the CPU. It does a good job, keeps that CPU around 70 degrees Fahrenheit, not Celsius. Yeah, the case itself is a CoolerMaster MC500P. Very happy with the case. Has a lot of modifications you can make to it to put things where you want. If you do decide to go with this case, get the smaller radiator if you go with liquid cooled, because I had to remove my external drives, which I really wasn't planning on using, but it would be nice to have the option there. So I got a 360 millimeter radiator. You want to go with the smaller one, which I believe is 240, and that'll leave you space for your external drives. Plus you can mount the smaller one on the top if you want as well. So it gives you an extra option there. The computer has 3 SSD drives, 2 of them are NVMe's. They mount right on the motherboard. Very happy with them, all Samsungs. The GPU is an EVGA GeForce RTX 2080. I chose that based on what Adobe recommends, because that's what I use to edit my video. So I kind of built this around what Adobe recommends you do for editing video. It's got an i7 9700K in there. KF I believe it is. Boosts up to 4.9 gigs. I think normal clock speed is 3.6. Thing runs great. I've had no issues with it. The thing hauls butt editing video, so I'm very happy with the CPU and everything. I did add a couple LED strips, so I ended up getting these, I think they're called Silverstone LED strips. Very happy with them. They come with a little control model. Basically I have the motherboard control and everything. Now on to the monitor. The monitor is an LG 27-inch Ultra 4K. It's just a flat monitor, LED. The model number is 27UD68P. Very happy with it. I just calibrated the thing. So yeah, this is the Sony 5K video. Hopefully you can see it pretty good. I'm shooting in 4K here, so you should be able to see it pretty well. It's very crisp, very clean. I'm very, very happy with the monitor. Looks spectacular. So yeah, everything that I bought I'm very happy with so far. I just got a Logitech keyboard that's backlit. It's like a $40 keyboard. The monitor's $299. Eventually I want to get one of them curved 40-some inchers, but for now this thing will suffice. You can see it's very pretty. So yeah, the LG 27-inch Ultra 4K is a great monitor. Very happy with it. Again, thank you all for watching. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. If you guys have any questions about this build or any other thing I review, hit me up in the comments. I'll be happy to help as much as I can. Oh, by the way, I noticed that people that build these PCs name them. So I have named mine, I guess as the tradition dictates. And the name of the PC is, drum roll please, Homewrecker. And you can take what you will from that. Thanks again for watching. Cheers.